Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting the Windows 7 recovery disk or plugging in the system repair USB and powering on. Press the manufacturer key to enter BIOS or boot menu. Once there, change boot order to DVD or USB first and save. Make sure Secure Boot is disabled on older systems that emulate UEFI. You do this now because if the PC doesn't boot from the recovery media, nothing else works. Once done, the machine will load the recovery environment automatically. Once the recovery environment loads, select Language and click Repair Your Computer. Do not reinstall Windows. You should run Startup Repair first because it fixes boot files and common startup errors automatically. If Startup Repair fails, try System Restore to roll back recent changes, or open Command Prompt to run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild. Make sure you select the correct Windows installation when prompted. Otherwise, your repairs will run on the wrong partition. After repairs complete, remove the recovery disk or USB and reboot. You want Windows to load normally from the fixed drive. If Windows still won't start, use the command prompt in the recovery environment to copy critical files to an external drive before doing a full reinstall. Also run chkdsk/r to scan for disk errors and use memtest for memory faults. Hardware issues often mimic software failures. If problems continue, consider cloning the drive and performing a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.